What the, like, what's wrong with me? All right, now I got the wig cap on, so it's time to get down to business.
They say I won't be none. Now they are to say congratulations.
What's really good? So I look very bad right now. I usually start my videos super glam, but this one's starting like this. Deal with it. Today we are doing a date night transformation. I'm gonna take all day and just transform my look because tonight we are going on a really nice dinner date to Ruth Chris. I literally, like, I can't look like this. I cannot look this way. I want to be beat. I want my hair to be super cute. I'm first going to be going to Ulta to see if there's any makeup products I want to pick up. I want to pick up some of those like gold hairpins because I want to do like a hair look with that. Does anyone else who drives just like hate getting gas? Like, if I could not get gas ever, I wouldn't. I hate getting gas. It's so annoying. I just found a parking spot literally right in front of Ulta. Like, it's right there. I have the spot right in front of the store. That's a really good feeling. That's like a sign that today's gonna be a good day. So I'm in Ulta. I'm by the hair stuff. I'm just looking for, oh yeah, these little cute little bobby pins. Maybe this one, because this one has like a bunch of colors. But I really like these rose gold ones. But they're industrial, like they're like U-pins, not regular bobby pins. So I'm gonna need these. $4. I'm gonna go ahead and get this. None of this stuff would like really work for my hair. Like none of like other stuff. So like, yeah, just the bobby pins. Okay, got our bobby pins. And I also have a bunch of points at Ulta. And so this could have been free. She was like, you want to redeem your points or save them? And I'm like, I'll save them. Because I want to do one big like makeup haul. And so I'll just keep saving up my points because I'm here like once a week. Do y'all see me hitting the wrong button? Like, okay, slowpoke. But yeah, now we're going to Plato's Closet, which is right next to the H&R Block you see. And then over there, there's the TJ Maxx. So we're gonna look in those, see if we find something cute to wear. If not, like I said, we have a ridiculous amount of clothes in the house. The lady at Ulta was like, how old are you? And I'm like 19, and she's like, you look so young. And she's like, it's a blessing and a curse. Like, when you get older, you'll love that you look young, but now it probably sucks. And I'm like, stop telling me I look young. I already know. So there were some nice things in there, but I had to limit myself because I was looking at clothes, then I was looking at makeup, then I was looking at all this like crazy skincare stuff. I literally almost bought like $100 worth of product, and I was like, no, I'm here looking for an outfit. I didn't find anything I was in love with or like anything that like trumped the clothes that I had at home. So I'm just gonna pick an outfit out of my closet. But I did get, for $3.99, a set of 3 razors because my dog got to my razor and absolutely destroyed it. Like, go stupid, go crazy, ruined my razor.
Go crazy! Go stupid! Go crazy!
One of the core values of this channel is TMI, so like, imagine me not talking about shaving. So yeah, I got these 3-pack with 1 trimmer Soleil razors. I'm just gonna go ahead and shave because gotta do that.
Just got faded. All
right, now I got the wig cap on, so it's time to get down to business. I have my favorite wig right now, my everyday go-to wig. And I ideally would like to do bone straight hair, super straight, silky straight hair. But let me tell you why I'm not gonna do that. And I'm going to leave like the wave texture that's in it now. It's 93 degrees in North Carolina. Well, every time I say that I live in North Carolina, I feel the need to disclaim this. I am not from North Carolina. I only live here because my hubby's military, whatever. But yeah, it's 93 degrees here, and it's like, no, baby, So when I do straighten this hair, because the humidity here is so high and it's so hot, the hair, and this is human hair, so it just waves / curls and frizzes, and like it never gives me what it's supposed to be giving me. All right, so here's what I want to do. I want to pull the hair like behind my ears and like do cute little bobby pins, because why not? That's so cute. So yeah, I'm just gonna take some of, why am I out of breath? Woo! I need to go pick up my anxiety medication, because wow. Like, look, that's cute already, but I missed some hairs. Ugh. See, look, I literally can't even bobby pin my hair back. Like, my hair capabilities are at -0. No, I mean, see, I can't count either. Apparently I can't count either. I'm trying to think like realistically as I'm like moving around throughout the day. It's not going to stay perfectly like tucked behind my ear, but you'll still be able to see it. It'll probably be sitting like this most of the day. And then like when I go to like, you know, pull my hair back, then you'll really be able to see. I really like the whole exposed bobby pin look. So yeah, I'm here for it. All right, now it's makeup time. Let's go ahead and get into it. I am probably not gonna wear eyeshadow today. All right, starting with foundation. Favorite foundation, use it every makeup video. Milani Conceal and Perfect. Ah, this stuff is just so good. There's a hair in mine. There's a... Usually I do my brows first. That's how you know I'm like kind of bugging right now, because I just put on foundation before brows, but whatever. Gonna do our eyebrows now. Oh my God, I went to Ulta and I forgot to pick up a new NYX micro brow pencil. What the, like, what's wrong with me? I was just in the bathroom to put my contacts on. I forgot to wet my freaking beauty blender. It's okay, we're using it dry. I'm dead serious, I'm not about to get back up. Okay, so we have this denim dress. I have on this white bralette. I got it from Shein. I get everything on Shein. This dress I've had forever, so I don't remember where it's from. And I have on these shoes from Shein. Y'all probably can't even see that. My shoes are from Shein. They're these little, like, the plastic clear heels. And then my mini purse. This is Michael Kors. And so yeah, what time is it? What time is it, Paulie?
4:25.
So this has been a 4-hour transformation. 4.5 hours, because I started this at noon. I started at 12. But yes, this is me. This is real, this is me. I'm exactly where I'm supposed to be. All right, guys, I am 100% ready and I feel so cute. Let me know if you enjoyed this video down below. Leave me a like and a comment, and follow me on Instagram to see pictures of this look, because I'm sure I will be posting many. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.
Yeah. All you self-promoters are janky. We established like the Yankees. This whole fucking game thankless. We moving militant, but somehow you the one tanking. No limit to where I could take it. And you know me as a crisp bottle sender, check picker upper. I thought we looked out for one another. Saw us all as brothers in the struggle, too blessed to be humble. I guess it's different in the city I come from.